Today we'll talk about how can you use uh, profit calculator on your Octa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down here, so then it's going to take you here. You will find here profit calculator here, just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you use profit calculator here in this list here. So and here can you sell or pay here, then it's going to show for your result. So then you just click here on calculate here, then it's going to show for your results here. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.